In this last video, this one will be really quick. This is just a snip of my calendar this week. So usually I do have the little things that come from leadership team meeting that I put down on my actual paper planner. But for the purpose of this activity in phase one, I went ahead and went back to my calendar and went ahead and put in everything that I needed to get completed throughout the week so that it could be shown that it is able to be put on a 40-hour work week. We all do know that things do come up and these things do get moved around. Thankfully, working over 40 hours isn't every week, but definitely for someone who wants to be prepared and feel ready for the next week, I do check my things when my kids are usually napping on Saturday and Sunday, just to make sure that I'm set for Monday and I know exactly what I'm going to do when I log on to my computer. So taking this activity as well as at the beginning of the semester, Crystal and Aaron asked us to look at our schedule and kind of see how we were using the day. And so I found this activity actually really helpful to put the things in that I was doing each day. And so just kind of making some notes here and really seeing where my time was going towards, so that I felt like this was a really great activity to go ahead and do. This is every bit of 40 hours, so it is a job, but it's a job that I think most of us enjoy doing. I'm not sure exactly why this is not switching. There we go. All right, so I'm just putting up some different ones up on the board. This one that's on the board, you can see that yes, I did work into the night, but that was because I needed to finish walkthroughs and there were other things that just took away from my day. Like I said, that's not every week, thankfully, but it does happen occasionally, and I guess that just kind of comes with the territory of being the math lead and lead of any other content subject. So just kind of putting a couple of these up on the board because they didn't really quite transfer. One of the suggestions that I would probably give to someone to go ahead and fit all this into the week would be to map it out. I think that having to be very organized is definitely part of the equation in being successful and getting everything and all the tasks done. Really knowing what your tasks that are important are. Crystal has begun to really try and align that for us. And so that has become a little bit more clear as we've progressed through the year as to what are lead tasks that are super important and that we need to pay attention to. Always keeping up with family and student correspondence, returning emails in the appropriate time manner. One of the biggest suggestions I would give to someone who is struggling to keep up is probably turn off your Teams for a little bit or turn off your Outlook for a little bit if you have a big task that needs to be completed, because I've found as we were mapping out the days that those were probably some of the biggest distractors that got in the way of getting things done, or that would push me to have to work past the 40 hours. So really just keeping focused and making sure that you have the tasks aligned to what you need to do each week is going to help you be successful.